This is Summer. Today I'll be covering one of the features in Chrome DevTools, that is source overrides. That is this one. I've been using this a lot recently. Pretty powerful to try out quick changes within the browser and persist over reloads. So if you click on, let's start on that one. So say you click on the source panel, here you move to overrides. This is what we'll be covering today. Let's take a sample site. Let's say firstcry.com, the mobile site, and here we can see the slider, the carousel, which is active. Let's say we disable the carousel, and we'll be doing it using source overrides. And let's start off then. Cool. So clicking on this one, you have to pick a directory. I picked directory name firstcry. You can name it anything you want. Click on the select. It will ask you for security permissions, as in no browser can read anything on that directory, so select it accordingly. Allow, and then once you move to the page, now you can see all of these things which is being loaded here, and let's search saying how to disable that carousel. So it should be something related to autoplay, what I guess. So you can move to search. The way you can populate this one would be go over this one, more tools, and then search. If you click on this, you land up at search. So I guess the keyword I'm going to search across the code base to this page is autoplay, maybe. Yeah, I can find autoplay here. So let's say we pretty print. So there's a button down, you can also pick that. Yeah, now it is pretty printed. Now let's search for the keyword autoplay. We can see multiple things here, which basically, I guess this is used for autoplaying the slideshow. So let's disable and try if it this one, which basically is auto sliding the elements. Command backtick. So now you have to save it. In order to save it locally, what we can do, see the source, it is there in the brainbees/js. The CDN is this one, brainbees, inside js, and this is 4.ind3, right? Right click and save for overrides. Now it's asked for pretty print. Just click it here, so it pretty prints. Yes, you can see an icon here. That means it is linked to locally, as it shows you there, right? So now let's say search for the autoplay again. We found this much of code. Let's comment it out, all of them. Yeah, save it, command S, saved. Now let's refresh and try if the autoplay works. Ideally it should be paused. If this is the part which basically autoplays that one, feels like yes, it is paused now. And you change this, it is serving from here, as you can see the active icon, and it has paused that. So even if you refresh, it still is paused. So this was a quick, neat little trick. So you can try out multiple things around it, which basically persist across reloads as well. So that's it, I think, for source overrides.